Hi, I'm going to show you how to add a guest user to your Microsoft tenant. This is basically guest users are used to share resources, Teams or SharePoint resources. So what you do is on the Microsoft admin portal, on the left hand side, go to users and guest users. In here I have already added this user, but I'm gonna show you how you send the invitation. So in here you go to add a guest user, and it will take you to the Azure portal, and then you need to select invite user, then put in a name, then the email address. So it's gonna say it's already exists because I have already sent the invitation. So you put in name, first name and last name, and you can fill out a message for them to read. And then you have the groups here, but I'm not gonna select the group which I'm gonna share the resource. I'm gonna leave it as that, and later on I can do the invitation. Add this user to the relevant SharePoint or Teams, and then I'm gonna select the usage location, and after that you'll be able to click on this invite button. Since I have already sent the invitation, it won't appear as live. So when you send the invitation in the user's email address, they'll receive something like this. They need to accept invitation. Between this page and the loading page, there's going to be another page which you need to accept. It's basically giving permissions to the Azure portal. So after that, after the invitation is done, you can ask any Teams member or any other member in this Microsoft tenant to send the invitation, since the guest user is already added. So I'm going to open my Teams, and I'm going to give access to the marketing teams for them. So it took a bit of time for the Teams to open, so I'm going to go back and go to Teams in the Microsoft admin portal in my account. From there, in the marketing, I can see I want to share this marketing with the guest user, and on the right hand side you can see 3 dots, and click on that and click manage team and add member. So I'm going to type in this user, search for that user, click on that, add and close. So after you add this member, in their email they should receive another email saying they are added to these teams. So they can go open Microsoft Teams. It's going to open desktop version. I'm gonna use the web app, so they have access to the marketing teams. If they can go to files and see all the files and folders here. Furthermore, if they somehow lose this email, the invitation, they can always go back to the original invitation, go to the link here. It will take them to this location. On the left hand top corner you can see this app, my apps. Click on the arrow and click on my groups. It will show all the groups which are shared with them from different companies maybe. Then they can see this marketing. They can go in and they can go to the SharePoint or Teams from here. So it's pretty much if you lose those emails, you can go to this link and access those resources. So this is how you add a guest user to share resources in your Microsoft tenants. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.